Welcome to Mobile Video Editing. In this series, we'll explore how to create professional quality videos directly on your smartphone. Whether you're a content creator, influencer, or just starting your video journey, mobile editing offers flexibility, convenience, and powerful tools to bring your creative vision to life. Mobile video editing offers several key advantages. First, you can edit on the go, making it perfect for capturing and finishing content while you're traveling or away from your desk. Second, modern mobile editing apps deliver professional results that rival desktop software. Third, you don't need expensive gear or computers to get started. And fourth, many apps support real-time collaboration, allowing you to work with team members from anywhere. Mobile editing is perfect for content creators, social media posts, projects with quick turnarounds, and remote team collaborations. There are several excellent mobile editing apps available. Adobe Premiere Rush is a professional cross-platform option with cloud synchronization. CapCut is free and incredibly powerful with a massive library of trending effects. KineMaster offers advanced multi-layer editing capabilities. InShot is perfect for quick social media video creation. FilmRoll provides cinematic effects and transitions. PowerDirector is a comprehensive editing suite that works on most devices. Each app has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs and budget. When choosing a mobile editing app, look for these essential features. A built-in media library with effects, transitions, and music saves time and adds polish. Multi-track editing capability lets you layer multiple video and audio tracks for complex compositions. Advanced controls like color grading, audio mixing, and keyframe animation give you professional-level customization. Also important, 4000K video export support, compatibility with common file formats like MP4, MOV, and WebM, cloud storage integration for file management, and real-time preview so you can see changes instantly. The mobile editing workflow consists of 4 essential steps. First is capture, film your raw footage using your smartphone camera. Second is cut and trim, remove unwanted sections and arrange your clips in the desired order. Third is polish, add effects, transitions, and color grading to enhance the visual quality. Fourth is export, finalize your video and share it to your chosen platform. This simple workflow applies to all projects, from short social media clips to longer videos. To optimize your mobile editing, use external storage like SSDs to improve performance and free up phone memory. Close background applications to free up RAM for smoother editing. Keep a power bank nearby since editing drains battery quickly. Always check your resolution settings to match your export format requirements. When capturing content, use proper lighting, stabilize your footage with a tripod mount, and use a clean microphone for quality audio. During editing, organize your clips logically, use effects sparingly for a professional look, and preview your work multiple times before finalizing. Master these fundamental editing techniques. For cutting and pacing, remove dead air and long pauses, match cuts to the music beat, use J and L cuts for smooth audio transitions, and vary clip lengths to create rhythm. For color grading, adjust exposure and contrast, apply LUTs for a cinematic look, maintain consistent color across clips, and balance highlights and shadows. For audio mixing, layer background music strategically, normalize audio levels, use fades for smooth transitions, and add sound effects for impact. For effects and transitions, use them purposefully rather than excessively, match effects to your video theme, and add text overlays strategically for clarity. Before exporting, optimize your workflow. Organize your media into folders for faster editing access. Use proxy files, which are lower resolution versions, for smoother playback during editing. Clear temporary cache files to free up storage space. Always watch your entire video before exporting to catch any issues. Different platforms require different specifications. For YouTube, use MP4 format with H.264 codec at 1080p or 4K resolution with 8 to 16 megabits per second bitrate. For Instagram and TikTok, use vertical format at 1080 by 1920 pixels. For Facebook and LinkedIn, Use MP4 with AAC audio at 1080p or 16:9 aspect ratio. You'll likely encounter some challenges. If your phone runs out of storage, use cloud storage services or connect an external SSD drive. For performance lag and freezing, close unnecessary apps and use proxy files. If audio is out of sync or distorted, adjust audio tracks separately and check volume levels, or use an external microphone for better quality. If exports fail or show format errors, update your app, verify format compatibility, and check file permissions. Battery drains quickly during long editing sessions, so use a power bank and lower your screen brightness. If your exported video looks pixelated or compressed, increase the export bitrate and use the original resolution settings. Continue developing your skills with available resources. YouTube channels and blogs dedicated to mobile editing provide free tutorials and inspiration. Online courses offer structured learning paths from beginner to advanced levels. Join communities on Reddit, Discord, and forums to connect with other editors and get peer support. Download pre-made templates and effects to accelerate your workflow while you learn. To get started, download your preferred editing app, record practice footage on your phone, and experiment with basic cuts and effects. As you advance, master color grading and audio mixing, develop your unique editing style, and build a professional portfolio of your best work. The key takeaways from this series: you can achieve professional quality videos on your smartphone, you have the freedom to edit anywhere and anytime, and you can create content efficiently without expensive equipment. Start with the fundamentals, practice consistently, and keep experimenting with new techniques to develop your unique editing style. The most important thing is to start creating. Your next viral video awaits. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.